Welcome to my Hus Kids channel for learning English.
Hello, my friends. I am Mr. Brown. Today we're going to learn about the transportation. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, repeat after me. Car.
Car.
Truck.
Truck.
Scooter.
Scooter.
School bus.
School bus.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Police car.
Police car.
Bus.
Bus.
Train.
Train.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Fun.
Von.
Airplane.
Airplane.
Ship.
Ship.
Now get ready to sing, move, and have so much fun. Let's go.
I can go by car. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Boba. I can go by bus. Beep, 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 beep. I can ride a bike. Pedal, pedal, pedal. I can ride a scooter. Zip, zip, zip. Car, bus, bike, and scooter. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Car, bus, bike, and scooter. Moving fast or slow. I can ride a train. Choo, choo, choo. I can fly in an airplane. Up, up, up. I can ride a helicopter. Whirr, whirr, whirr. I can zoom in a jet. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I can sail on a ship. Splash, splash, splash. I can ride a motorcycle. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I can move in so many ways. Come and sing this happy tune.
Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.